Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of the M5Stack tutorial video. Today, we'll show you how to quickly develop with the chain encoder in UiFlow2. The chain encoder is a rotary encoder input node from the M5Stack Chain series. Integrating an AB quadrature rotary encoder, a button, and an RGB LED, it is suitable for human-machine interaction, smart home control, and other application scenarios. First, access the UiFlow2 official website via your browser. In the extension area, click on Chain. Drag the encoder onto bus 1 and click Confirm to load the module. Example 1. Demonstrate how to read the rotary encoder value and obtain the button status. Example 2. Demonstrate how to use the basic core together with the encoder to read the encoder status in real time.